welcome to your Money Monday.
Something with the Motts team when you want to list your house, something that we do for our listings, we do mega open houses. Mega open houses, what we do is we send out postcards to about 12 to 1,500 area homes. They get those 2 days before your open house is going to be. And once we get those, it attracts different customers to come in and take a look at the house. We put up about 12 different directional signs in the area, leading people to come over and see the house. Another thing that we do, as you can see, is we have the big Skydance guys with all the signs. And we do a lot of boosts on social media to really get the word out there and get a lot of people to come in and see your house. So it's something that's really great for anyone that's thinking of listing a home. The Motts team does a great job with mega open houses. It really helps attract people and it really helps attract buyers for you. If you have any questions on whether it's listing your home or even buying your home, give us a call 330-708-7875 or visit www.themottsteam.com. You can come see Rich Motts, myself, Heather MacArthur, Jay Smith, and Brad Kessler, and Teresa Lawson. Thanks so much.